Want to see what we're eating? Oh,
Cheat meal deluxe. That's a fatty right there.
that's what she said. What'd you say?
You're totally sabotaging my diet, bro.
She just said I'm making her eat some dirty food.
Yeah.
We're just going out for a nice din-din. Taking you out on a date, you're saying I'm making you eat dirty food? What do you think about Boo's hair?
Should I? Oh yeah, guys. Hey, my hair's pink.
Very Hollywood.
For the first time ever. Do I look Hollywood? It's temporary though. It's only gonna last like 5 days probably.
Okay, we gotta get going. Penguins are on TV right now.
Oh,
So that's
temporary.
one of the reasons why we're going out to eat. So let's go. So we just made it to Gulp here in Playa Vista. And I'm gonna get for my cheat meal the Gulp burger. Check it out. You're actually getting the same thing, right?
Yes, and we're both going no cheese.
And I'm also
that's what we
getting
prefer.
Moscow Mule.
And they're $5.
Vodka, what was the Irish one again?
Jameson or
Tequila,
something.
gin,
Yeah.
and bourbon.
Yeah.
I'm going Moscow. First up, always lemon water or water. There's the Moscow Mule.
You got sparkling water?
I love the actual cups that these come in. We gotta get some of these cups. You can now get access to all our workout programs, recipes, and meal plans inside our workout app. Try it for free today. Link in the description. Now let's get back to the episode. The reason why we're here is to watch the hockey game. Let's go Pens. 2-2.
Well, we're also having a date.
Oh, right.
We're having a date, right?
Alright, what I do, big chug of water.
That was a chug.
Stay hydrated.
Please, bro.
Then you can just enjoy your Moscow Mule. 1 for 1.
Yeah, you can't just have an alcohol drink. You have to have a water too, right?
That's good.
That's the rule?
That's good.
Is it tasty?
Lemon and lime, back and forth.
And yeah, you could totally have alcohol. Not when you're pregnant. I'm not having any. But when you're not pregnant and you're living lean,
I'm drinking.
you can have a drink. No, you're just being normal.
It is a Monday.
Yeah, it is Monday.
It's here. It arrived. Do you want to see what we're eating?
Cheat meal deluxe.
I can't remember the last time I had a fries.
I got a salad.
You got a
with
salad.
my burger. That's a hell of a lot of bun right there.
It's a big bun. I don't know if I can eat all this. What am I kidding? I'm gonna eat all this. Let's go. Let's give these fries a taste. How are we gonna taste?
Liking?
A little bit crispy for my liking.
Very crispy.
No McDonald's fries.
Yeah. When was the last time you had
I
McDonald's
don't know.
fries? I'll be real. I don't even remember what they're like.
But I want to eat that bacon.
These are pretty good. Yeah, that bacon is serious.
Let's get that bacon.
See the size of that?
You guys mouth watering yet? How is it, babe?
I will so good.
That's the thumbnail right there. She cuts her burger in half. How many of you guys cut your burger in half?
I do.
If I can get this burger into my mouth. 1, 2, 3. Oh.
That's a fatty right there.
That's what she said.
How's the taste?
Not bad, not bad. The burger, the bun is like a croissant. It's so fluffy. And you thought I couldn't finish that like a pro.
Oh, babe, you put it down.
You're still working on it?
I'm actually struggling. I'm full right now.
I'm gonna finish the salad. Gotta get some nutrients.
Yeah,
a
have
little bit
the
of
rest of
greens.
that.